Oh, we just missed it. No. Oh, fuck. That didn't make us spot. Oh my god.
In 400 feet, turn left, then turn left.
I know you can't really see, it's blurry.
Oh my god.
It's focusing.
Yeah, this is. Oh, hell.
How are we supposed to get in?
Where's the mail at?
It's over there. Oh my god.
Oh my. Dang, dude, it's like.
Drive over there?
Dude!
Well, we gotta get the key. The mail key is.
Neat. It's like a foot deep in water. I'll go out there.
Come out. Come around.
It just gets deeper, I think. It's in the freaking grass.
This building and the one behind it.
Dude.
Around here.
Oh my god. We're like at the beach. Oh my god.
It's right there.
Focus.
The mailbox.
I don't know the key. The key is in the house. But I wonder if we can
Get it this way?
is it flooded here. So I can walk through here.
No, it's not.
Stay right here.
You can just walk right here.
Stay in the car. You got an umbrella, you said?
Dude, it's
Yeah.
flooded. Okay. You want me to get it?
Reach the umbrella down there. Fibrous.
Yeah. Where is it? Yeah. Oh, that's my face. That's not the Richard. I don't know. I got the umbrella. Jesus. The flood is real. The flood is real.